Today I will discuss very important topic for the board examination, want of factor I. It is very important. It helps to calculate the colligative properties of the compound, colligative properties of the solution. So right now, what is want factor? I will discuss what is want factor. Student, the ratio of calculated molar mass and observed molar mass is known as want of factor. It is represented by the I. So what will be the formula for the calculation of want factor? Calculated molar mass and observed molar mass Calculated molar mass, also known as theoretical molar mass, and observed molar mass is also known as experimental molar mass. So ratio of calculated molar mass and observed molar mass is called the want of factor. 1 marks definition already arises in the board examination in different time, in different years also. And the formula to calculate the want of factor: observed colligative properties, observed colligative property and calculated colligative properties. Observed colligative properties and calculated colligative properties. How can say that observed colligative properties upon calculated colligative properties? Observed colligative properties is inversely proportional to the molar mass. So here is the observed molar mass. Colligative properties is the reciprocal to the molar mass. So observed colligative properties come upon the above, and calculated colligative properties come in the down. So this is the another formula to calculate the want of factor. Second, number of particles after dissociation or association. Number of particle dissociation or association upon number of particle before dissociation and association. This is the another formula to calculate the want of factor in the compound. Number of particle after dissociation. You know what you mean by the dissociation? The breaking of the substance is known as the dissociation. And what do you mean by the association? The combining of the substance. Association of the substance means association. So this is the three formula to calculate the want of factor. How can it apply? Take the example. Let NaCl undergoes dissociation. NaCl undergoes dissociation matlab it means what? Ionization. It is also called ionization. Na positive and Cl negative. So if you want to calculate the want of factor for NaCl, so this formula can be used here, because here dissociation concept is given here. Number of particle after dissociation is 2. How can I say that number of particle after dissociation is 2? Because when NaCl dissociates, it gives the Na positive ions and Cl negative ions. So number of ions after dissociation become 2, or number of ions before dissociation is the 1. So then I will be equal to the 2 upon 1. 2 कहाँ से आया? It will be come here. number of particle after dissociation is 2 and number of particle before dissociation is 1. So 1 top factor become 2, I become 2. If substance, if the solute do not undergoes the 100% dissociation, this condition is applicable only for the when solute undergoes the 100% dissociation. If the solute do not undergoes the 100% dissociation, so we need to another factor to calculate the one top factor. So next factor is the degree of dissociation. Next factor is the degree of dissociation. Next factor is the alpha degree of dissociation या association. It is represented by the alpha. What is degree? Firstly discuss करते हैं what is degree. Degree means degree of dissociation or association. It is the extent of dissociation or association. It is the extent of dissociation or association. It is calculated by this formula. Dissociated or associated amount upon total amount to calculate the degree of dissociation or association total amount. Let take the example to understand this topic easily. Suppose let NaCl undergoes 30%
Renuka Rana ma'am,
dissociation.
come to computer lab with a list of participants.
Undergoes 30% dissociation.
Come to computer
Calculate
lab with a list of participants for Sunday.
Alpha means degree of dissociation. You have to calculate the degree of dissociation. You know 30% dissociation means total amount of the substance is the 100%. 30% dissociated. 30% is the तो dissociated amount become 30% और total amount is the 100. तो अल्फा इक्वल टू किसके हो जाएगा 30 अपन क्या होगा 100. तो इट बिकम 0.3. Alpha we will get the alpha 0.3. Suppose another example to calculate the association, extent of association. Acetic acid. This is the acetic acid undergoes dimerization. Acetic acid undergoes dimerization. Calculate degree of association. Student, if you solve the question fragment, it is easy for you. So right now it is very helpful to calculate the degree of association. So CSC-COOH undergoes dimerization. What is the term dimerization? When two molecules associate together, it forms dimer. This phenomenon is called the dimerization. Another terms used in this chapter and in this question, trimerization. If 3 molecules undergoes association, it is called the trimerization. If 4 molecules undergoes the association, it is called the tetramerization. So listen, here I am talking about the acetic acid undergoes dimerization. It means what? 2 molecules of acetic acid, CH3COOH. It means what? 2 molecules of acetic acid associated. So how can it write after association? After association, it becomes the single molecule.
Shriya Bharadwaj, please come to Principal Ma'am's office. I repeat, Miss Vandana Singh, Miss Shivani Mehta, Miss Shriya Bharadwaj, please come to Principal Ma'am's office immediately.
acetic acid undergoes dimerization. It means what? Two molecule of acetic acid get associated form the single molecule. So before association, number of particle after association यहाँ पे कितना होगा? If you want to find the degree of dissociation, यहाँ पे कितना % लिखा है? डाइमराइजेशन हो रहा है. If you want to find the quantum factor या अल्फा अगर आप फाइंड करना चाहते हैं तो नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल, if you find the quantum factor I, तो नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल आफ्टर एसोसिएशन इज 2 और सॉरी 1. आफ्टर एसोसिएशन 1 हो गया और नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल बिफोर एसोसिएशन इज द 2, तो क्वांटम फैक्टर बिकम द 2. अब सपोज दिस डाइमराइजेशन अंडरगोस 20%. सपोज डाइमराइजेशन अंडरगोस 20% डाइमराइजेशन होगा. हाउ कैन फाइंड द अल्फा? तो एसोसिएटेड अमाउंट इज द 20 and total amount is the 100, so we will get the 0.2% degree of association. Now I will discuss the relation between alpha and I. Relation between alpha and I. Number 1, for dissociation. तो अल्फा इक्वल टू द I minus 1 upon n minus 1, and for association alpha equal to the 1 minus I upon 1 minus 1 upon n. So these formula help to calculate the quantum factor I and degree of dissociation. In this formula it is the degree of association, this is the quantum factor. It is very useful for you for the coming board examination. I hope you will understand this topic and do the more and more question on this topic. Thank you very much.